So here's what we're dealing with. It's a new stance. Sheesh. Yeah. Alright, what's up everyone? Today, it's bright and early, as you can maybe see out of that window, but yesterday I was doing some burnouts and sliding the Corvette around, and I actually blew the tire off the bead. And so that car's sitting on the side of the road. Hated to leave it there, but I did it at night. So 1, I couldn't see shit. 2, I didn't have a ride or any tools with me. 3, it was on the military post. And 4, the freaking tire shop was closed. So I figured if I just left it sitting on the ground would be the least amount of chances that someone could try to jack the wheels off of it. I wasn't trying to deal with the tow truck because, like I said, it was on post. Getting the truck on a tow truck when the wheels fucking work is a major pain. The car's about 2 inches off the ground. You got to put boards, you got to have a patient tow truck driver, all kinds of shit. So I just left it. So now I'm going to gather up some tools to take the wheel off. So I'm going to get a jack, I'm going to get my impact, a couple pieces of board to put underneath the tire, and then we're gonna head over to base and we're gonna pray that the car is sitting there untouched, unmolested, and take the wheel off, run over to a tire shop, hopefully put it back on. Hopefully I didn't bend the fucking wheel. It was a stretch 285 on a 13-inch wheel with low tire pressure doing donuts. Bad combination, don't do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the G8. That's what we'll take, do a little cold start, and then we'll get back to it. All right. So let's get this thing warmed up. As you can see, it's cold out here. Warm this thing up while we let that thing warm up while I gather the tools. And man, I hope that shit is there. If not, fuck it. I'm buying a whole new car. I'm not gonna try to rebuild this shit. I'll just sell that thing off. I don't even really care about the car, honestly. I drive it like a 240. I really only care about the wheels. The wide body kit I don't care about because I'm making my own. The C8 seats, I don't want those to get. I want the C8 seats and the wheels. The rest of the fucking car, I don't care about it. I could replace that. But all right, let me gather these tools up, figure out where the hell everything's at, and I'll get back to you. All right, if your neighbors hate you because your car's loud, I would recommend you to try to repair that relationship somehow. But if it can't be done, then fuck them. Not only should you have a loud car, but you should drag this down the block like it's a dog, because they love that. All right, so I'm supposed to be taking my kids to a birthday party, so I'm in a mad rush right now to try to get this all done. But got 2 jack stands, my jack, my wheel lock, some fucking wood, and this. So if that don't make it happen, Captain, I don't know what will. Let me drive over to base. I'll just skip that whole process and I'll show you what the car looks like. Mount Rainier is right behind it. Massive mountain, and it's a beautiful day out. So it's probably gonna look pretty nice. It's not going a few miles an hour, so I figured I'd make a quick little video about how this G8 drives. Man, I'm going to be showing it on the channel, obviously, so you guys will get to see a little bit more about it. But it has basically a TR6060 with a Camaro diff and a Monster Stage 3 clutch. While it is a TR6060, it's not just like a 5th gen Camaro TR6060 with the segmented trans wiring harness. It's an actual OEM GXP trans and wiring harness. So that's kind of cool. But the way it shifts compared to my Corvette, night and day difference. Oh, that's a cop. Oh shit. Oh shit. Hold on. 2 cops. Oh, he's gonna get me. Oh yeah. He's getting me. Oh fuck, he's getting me. His ass was out the window with the fucking radar. Oh. He's not getting me. Okay. Whew. Bro. Nice. Little fucking 90 freeway entrance. I was trying to merge, sir. This car has absolutely 0 license plates on it. 5% window tint to include the front. I got lucky right there. Alright, well, on that state, let me just get on base, get to this fucking car. I'll catch up with you later. Alright guys, just made it on post. So here's the moment of truth. This is how far on base I made it before my wheel popped off. I just went through the front gate. I came around this way, and I was thinking about stopping at this gas station to get a Red Bull, but I was like, ah, fuck it. Let me just get to my doctor's appointment. So I went right, kind of yanked right down this road right here, just like that. And I hit this turning circle, and I was like, ooh, okay. And so I said, right here, whoop, up, 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 just a little bit, and fucking right there was a car. Oh, it's still here. It's still looking good. We're good, boys. Are we good? Oh, we're good. Oh, tire ain't good, but sheesh. There's that mountain I was talking about. So let's flip a bitch. It's frosty looking. It's still good. Okay, we're still good. Yeah, what's up, boy? RIP to the rocker. I showed you all that. Let's hop out and take a little look-see at the... Let's go take a look. Let me show you what I'm working with. So here's what we're dealing with. It's a new stance. Sheesh. Well, I'm just glad no one messed with it, so let me get after it. I don't really got time, so I'm gonna do this quick. Alright, so this is what we're working with. How low we are under here. Let's see if you guys can see this. So there's basically no space. So I'm thinking I'll drive that side up onto a board, and then I can put the jack right there underneath the rear subframe. Cross my mind. But we'll see. Alright, so the car's too low to put the board under the front, clearly. So what I'm thinking is I'll just put this like back here and then back up onto it. Hopefully that doesn't kick up and fuck anything up. Then once I back up onto that, I could put another smaller one up onto here and back up onto that if it's not enough. So I'm gonna put one more on the other side just to keep it even Steven, and then we'll see what we can do. Alright, let this video serve as the last, I don't even know what to call it. It's almost like a last supper or something, I don't know. But let's pay homage right now to what it was. Ooh, the way the sun glistens off that chibbin fiber. Don't mind those gaps. Fuck. I'm gonna end up selling all this shit and put my own body kit. Woo! She frosty. This is what it was. I don't know what's supposed to take place right now. RIP to the diffuser, the bumper, the wheel, I don't know. But I'm finna back it up. Alright, here it goes. Shout out to the gravel. This uneven surface, I only need the one board, which is dope. Okay, that's why this isn't working. with it. Where are we at, baby? Sir. So I usually don't run license plates on any of my vehicles, but because I was leaving this onto the side of the road, I just kind of stuck that in there finger tight. So here's a cop right here. I'm good, I appreciate it. I'm just gonna go get a new tire real quick.
Gotcha. Sure?
Yeah, thank you. All right, that should be good. All right, so unpack this little guy off and we'll be out of here. That's about as low as she could go anyways, without putting some on the under the front wheels. Get all reliable right here. Wheels dirty. Oh my god. That's one good thing about the military base. People are eager to help. I had two country dudes with a fat dip in their lip yesterday roll up. Hey buddy, can we help you in any way? Not unless you got a jack and some wood, boy. He didn't have either, so he couldn't help, but he sure as hell wanted to, I'll tell you that. He almost scared me. Okay, how we looking? All right, so we're still on that side. We just popped this side, so yeah. We're fucking Gucci. I can't make this shit up. I got it off and I was like, oh yeah, we're still on the inside, we're good to go. I set it right there to try to get a thumbnail picture and it fucking fell over and just nicked the fuck out of the lip. So I don't know, it is what it is. I could always buy new ones, I guess, but yeah. So I'm gonna load this up, run to the tire shop, hopefully get that put back on, and then your boy will be back in business. Look at that. Bam. Bam, she wide. 13. Sheesh. Okay. Alright, not fucking around. I gotta go. Alright, so I'm here at my boy AV's shop, and this is where I come to get all my tire work done. Super cool dude. They were closed yesterday when I got here, but yeah.
You gotta shoot it from the front.
She's building.
Yeah, baby. Shoot it from that front.
Alright, well, we were able to stretch it back on. Bad news is I cracked my inner barrel, so I'll have to get a new one, maybe weld it for now. So it's on, but it's slowly leaking. So I don't know. Try to slam it on and drive it home, I guess, or at least get it on to where we can roll it on a tow truck. But damn, that sucks. Alright. Alright guys, so here we are with it. I got the tire put back on the wheel at the shop. I came back here, put it all back on. The problem is I actually cracked the inner barrel, so it has a very slight leak. So I overfilled it to 60 psi to try to keep it aired up for as long as possible. I threw the jack, some wood, my impact, jack stand, and I got this air compressor here. So I guess I'm gonna try to mob it home. I'm just hoping that that doesn't blow up and fucking rip the quarter panel off or whatever. I mean, I don't know. So it's probably the end of this part of the vlog. I'm gonna focus on getting home. I don't know if you can hear it. But we'll need some new inner barrels. Alright, so far so good. I'm about 10 minutes away from home, but I just stopped to throw a little more air in it just to be sure. Alright, that's a wrap, folks. I was able to mob this thing all the way back home without blowing the tire back off somehow. Yeah, so let's see. It's still full, actually. Could probably do some burnouts real quick. No, it's funny. Sheesh. I wish it wasn't a down bird, because it's a freaking beautiful day. No time to play. Alright guys, well, that's that. Another little vlog in the book. More drama. Kind of reminds me of my trip across America when I went from New York to Washington, man. Nothing but a backpack on, and this car slammed. Blew a hard brake line doing 90 on the freeway. Broke an axle. Ended up having to go to Harbor Freight, buy a bunch of tools and shit, and fix it on the side of the road. Still made it though. But yeah, that kind of just reminded me of that. Ghetto to the max. Driving home on a cracked rim. But cool. Have a good one. Peace. Well, made it home, but what a day. Random snow.